Okay, so I think I found a way to get to where I'm trying to get to. We'll see if I can actually get there now. I had to stop and take some pictures of this because I couldn't believe it. And there's been a constant stream of cars trying to get through this. So we are not going there. That's not where we're going. No, thank you. I had my mom's car, and that's probably got as much salt water as it has anything in it. We're going this way. And I don't know how far I'm going to get now, but we're going to give it a shot. The good news is the rain's let up. It comes and goes in spurts, but it has let up. But I'm not sure how much of this is rain versus tidal because supposedly the tides are coming up. And I'm figuring, even after I try, probably these places are going to be closed. But we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Wow, those canals are right up to the top. Holy cow. These are the canals here. Check this out. They're filled. They're coming up in the yards in some places. And this all right here, right along the water. And those apartments have got to be getting flooded. Yeah, all these is shut up tight, not open. I don't know about Sam's yet. I haven't got there, but so far so good here. They still got a little room on their seawalls. We got fire and rescue down there. I'm not sure why they're here. Now we're down at Hudson Beach. And I'm sure I'm going to get the same reception as Sam's. I just got it all these closed. Looks like my oysters are not going to happen today. Nope. Definitely closed. No business. No oysters. Oh well. It's the first time I think I've ever been to Florida and have not been able to get oysters, but I was expecting to get them today and was not planning on seeing this. Okay, so that's not usually underwater. That is. So this tide, look at it, it's right up here. All these people here, tide is right up to the edge, and it doesn't rise. It's not peaking for another hour. So this water's still coming up. So I'm definitely gonna have to get out of here before much longer, because once it covers the road I just got in on, I'm done. No way out. Because the other two roads we already tried and they were full of water. And here comes the pouring rain again. Got some water over here. That's dumb. You just go to the side that's got the least amount of water. You know, go to the side that's got the most. Yeah. Over here it's in the parking lot. I don't know, maybe it's not in the parking lot. Right up to the edge? Oh yeah. No, it's just right up to the edge. Why did he just go into the mud? I got a problem here. Oh yeah, the docks cause this usually goes down, and instead it's going up. Right here, check it out. The dock's going uphill, not downhill. We're supposed to be going uphill. It's going up. That's funny. Alright, well I'm going to end this video and I'm going to see what we find on the way out.